Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making a quick backup so you can revert if needed. Then open show/hide paragraph to see spaces, tabs, and breaks. Once done, inspect the area with missing spaces to identify whether it's a missing space, hard line break, or merged words from a style. Next, choose your scope, the whole document, a selection, or only text using a specific style, because that determines whether you'll use find and replace, proofing options, or a style edit. Now you run find and replace to add missing spaces efficiently. For simple cases, search for patterns like lowercase uppercase, e.g. AZ, with wildcards, and replace with \1\2 to insert a space. Make sure to test on a small selection before replace all, because wildcards can affect acronyms or camel case. Once comfortable, also check paragraph and character spacing in the Style panel. To finish by proofing the corrected text. You can use Read Aloud or the navigation pane to quickly scan for remaining run-together words. If missing spaces persist, make sure kerning and font rendering aren't forcing letters together. Temporarily disable kerning and check language proofing. As a last resort, paste the content to plain text to remove hidden formatting, then reapply your styles and spacing so the layout returns correct. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup and repeat targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.